Microsoft has removed the Reload and Internet Explorer mode on the three dots menu here as of October 8th, 2025. And um, version we have here is 141.0.3537.57. Now, you can get the Reload and Internet Explorer mode icon in the toolbar up here. And so that's the only way you're going to be able to get to that mode now, it looks like. So if you don't have this icon in the toolbar, you can get it there by going over to the three dot menu and then clicking on settings. And then just type in the search here, Internet Explorer, just the word internet. And you can see here it says Internet Explorer mode, and this is going to be appearance in the toolbar. So just toggle that right there, and then you can and then also make sure you have where it says internet options, that you have allow here, so you can be allowed to put it in Internet Explorer mode. And once you've done that, you may need to restart the browser, but you'll be good to go, and you'll have that icon up in the toolbar instead of in the three dots menu. All right, hopefully that helps. Thanks a lot. Have a good one. Take care.